This video will cover the removal and the replacement of the vacuum pump on the green machine. Unlock the hasps and remove the cover from the green machine. Turn off power at the VST control panel. Use proper lockout and tagout procedures. Unlock and close the 3 ball valves in between the green machine and the vent risers. Remove the fan guard between the motor and the pump. Remove these tubes from the green machine. Remove the 4 main solenoid operators from the green machine as shown here. Remove the brass pipe fittings from both sides of the vacuum pump and keep them for reuse later. Remove the 4 mounting bolts from the vacuum pump base and keep them for reuse. The shims under the pump will also be reused. Loosen the drive coupling set screws on the motor side of the rubber flange sleeve. Then slide the drive coupling toward the motor. Penetrating oil may be needed to slide the flange sleeve. Remove and discard the rubber flange sleeve. The rubber flange sleeve must be replaced whenever a pump or a motor is replaced. Remove the pump from the green machine. A new pump will come with a new drive coupling and rubber flange sleeve. Install the coupling on the pump shaft, then the rubber flange sleeve into the coupling. Place the new vacuum pump on the base and align the mounting holes. Reinstall and tighten the 4 vacuum pump mounting bolts, being sure to align the couplings on the pump and on the rotor shaft. Mate the couplings to the rubber flange sleeve and tighten the set screws. Wrap PTFE tape around the threads of the 2 brass fittings. The 90-degree fitting goes on the back side of the pump, and the straight fitting goes on the front side of the pump. Now, reinstall the fan guard. Place the empty solenoid base inside the solenoid for each valve operator. If this step is not taken, the operators can be damaged during the blowout process. Install the clear plastic blowout tube provided in the vacuum pump replacement kit. Turn on the power and the maintenance switch at the Green Machine control panel. On the main screen, push the maintenance button in the bottom left. Depending on the model of the Green Machine you're working on, the password will be either 123 or 878. Then, press the Enter key. On the maintenance screen, press the manual On button. This will blow air through the plastic hose. Using the plastic tube, blow air through all the ports in the valve manifold. Blow out the removed tubes also. Back at the VST control panel, push the manual Off button, then the Escape key. Now, turn the panel power switch to the Off position. Remove the blowout fitting from the vacuum pump. Reassemble all of the valves and all of the tubes. Conduct a functionality test to confirm the Green Machine is operating as intended. The functionality test is the most comprehensive test that exists for the Green Machine. In passing this test, the Green Machine will demonstrate that everything internally is functioning correctly. Before beginning the functionality test, be sure that all lockable ball valves between the Green Machine and the vent risers have been closed. All caps from the 3 T-fittings have been removed, and that the 3-way ball valve below the pressure sensor is turned to the off position. To begin the functionality test, start on the maintenance screen, then push the F2 button below the PLC screen. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see a button to start the test. Once this button is pressed, you'll be prompted to confirm the functionality test. Push Confirm, and the test will begin. The Green Machine will begin its Run mode. This mode will last for 60 seconds before the Purge mode begins, and then the cycle will start again with the Run mode. There are 5 cycles pre-programmed into the functionality test, so you can expect the Green Machine to run for about 10 minutes before automatically turning off. During the Run mode, place your hand over each open T-fitting. You should feel the following: suction at the vapor inlet T, air blowing from the air outlet, and no blowing or suction from the vapor return. If there is suction or air blowing from anywhere unexpected, refer to the troubleshooting section of the Green Machine manual in Chapter 8. During the Purge mode, place your hand over each open T-fitting. You should feel the following: no blowing or suction at the vapor inlet T, no blowing or suction from the air outlet, and air blowing from the vapor return. Again, if there is suction or air blowing from anywhere unexpected, refer to the troubleshooting section of the Green Machine manual in Chapter 8. Once you have confirmed these airflows, the functionality test is complete. If there is still time on the test, you may press the F4 button to end it early. Lock the 3 ball valves in the open position. Put the cover back on the Green Machine and lock the hasps. Remove the locks from the lockout tagout. Turn the power switch to the on position on the VST control panel. The Green Machine is now operational. You have reached the end of this video.